Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 14th of August 2026 and it's Friday. And we're going to review the previous day trade, okay, which is the 13th of. So, ignore if there's a noise in the background. There are friends of mine who are here right now. So, let's get into the day. And lost the 100 pips account last night, and there were two losses. Why it's not loading? Charge. Okay, let's start the day. I took two trades and both were in loss. The first trade was illogical. I was against higher time frame bias, and I took a long, and although there was a time frame liquidity was taken, and there was the reason as well. So let's get into the day. On weekly chart, I highlighted this recent wick and this tiny gap, which is being used as IFG, and this longest wick. Okay, this is the white, is the monthly. Okay, and this is the candle we are going to talk about. First we went higher, took the high liquidity, touch the C of weekly. My mouse stuck, and then start going. It happened in the London session, and well, it's not okay. So you can see how we were more likely to go to the downside, and there was the structure was to the downside. The liquidity was taken. The monthly and the weekly low quarter was respective to downside, and then this was a gap which was not filled. We went higher and closed below. Okay. And on daily chart, sorry, on 1 hour chart, you can see how we went higher and then break, and then we went lower. Let's get into the trading day. First trade was a very silly trade. I shouldn't have took this trade at all. Okay, Anand. Uh, so I took this trade because the reason is we went lower. I took this liquidity and plus the daily low, and we respected these areas. So I just and there was some lower time frame liquidity. So I took this the trade because there was no a break in market structure on higher time frame. On higher time frame, the structure was bearish, and I didn't follow that, and I took the trade on the liquidity base and the way it was respecting the quarter plus 5 minute first present if you will get plus 1 minute first present if you will gap and plus 1 minute break. The second I took the trade, and after a few minutes it hit the stop loss, and then it was clear that I did the wrong thing. I was already bearish, and I was bearish, but I switched the bias here, and I did a mistake, which is not a big deal. And then I started looking for a short trade, and then I took this short trade, which was on 1 minute time frame with the 5 minute break, and it hit the stop loss, and then went lower, and then went higher, and then at the end we went lower as I was expecting. We expand, and if I took this trade on 5 minute, the stop loss could have been a bit higher, but we were expanding for the downside, and in my mind I was like I might miss this move. So I took the trade on 1 minute with the break market structure of 5 minute. Let me show you the 1 minute. You can see how we touched here, went higher, took this relative highs, and then went lower. This was the propulsion block. I took the entry here, even on this breaker. So the propulsion block on 5 minutes. So I took this trade with the low quarter of this IFBG plus low quarter of the daily, and the upper quarter was respective. So I was expecting at least to get this C. But you can see my stop loss was a bit not on the level it should have been, but at the same time the price action was not smooth as well. I was a bit unlucky because you can see how it spent some time. uh, there were two situations which could happen. One this kind of situation, even if it want to go lower, it will spend some time and will get your stop loss, and then will go to the target. And the second is a lows resistance day, that boom target and going start going. But it was not the day, and you can see it went higher, took the SL, then went lower, and then I was not looking at the chart at all, and the second trade bias was right. I was on the right side, and see how we went lower. Uh, and this is what it is, and funding pips account is finished, and I took the first trade on the blueberry, and the second trade on the funding pips, and uh, yeah, what can I say? Thing not going as wanted to, as I want. But what can we do? What else we can do? Just have to bear this pain, uh, and not uh, that not able to explain me what's going on. Because my friends are around, so yeah, that's why. So, but things are not going well, you can see. And one day I'll be seeing this video that how way I was, and I will take this as this, that I will see this one day, like how things were going after even 2 years, and I didn't give up, and even with all the other things and job and all. So yeah, I want to talk. I'm really not kind of broken or something, and there are many things which is going on. I don't know, but it is what it is. It's not that I'm going to give up because of this, and yeah, just to have patience. It's my day will come, and to be just do my thing and have to be patient. And if I'm feeling pain, I have to bear it. I have to just have faith in my Allah, Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad, and in myself because of them. So, and why did I started this? And yes, so this was a day to trades, and both were losses. And yeah, I think I didn't. There's nothing else to talk about, and yeah, I won't. Hmm, I will, if I remember this phase or this video, I will talk about uh, this video in future, that what going on, and and how bad I was feeling at that time. I wouldn't be able to explain at that time, because it's the thing which only can be, which cannot be explained at the first time, first of all. And if something can be explained, it's the one who is feeling at that time, which is I'm right now. So just to, it's just bad days. Okay, that's it. And today is Friday, last day of the week. And yeah, I think that's it. In the next video, Allah Hafiz.